99% of any of your decision is not based off anything other than emotions.
Yes.
You go and buy a car full of emotions. You buy as simple as a packet of biscuits. Which packet? This packet or this packet? The packet which has a fancy packing will most likely be your
Or the one that
choice.
has nostalgia or other aspects,
Anything.
emotions.
It is
Yes.
all emotions.
Hmm.
It is all emotions.
Real estate. It's just
So
not
let
the
me
right
give
thing.
you another example, right? Let me give you another example. Have you heard of? अभी थोड़ा उसका prominence thankfully कम होता जा रहा है, and one of the reason is SIP. But I used to give this example long time back. अभी थोड़ा सा लोगों के fade हो गए हैं दिमाग में, but this example came to my mind just now. People used to do committee and chit fund kind of a
Yes,
thing, right?
yes.
I'll give you a very all those people who have ever done it. I'll tell you one thing which will give you the change of behavior in the whole thing.
Okay.
Right? It's very interesting. Supposing you are putting money into that committee or chit fund every month. You haven't taken out money from that. Every month when you go and give that money, what is the chemical reaction in you? Is it like positive or is it negative? You feel empowered. You feel I'm going. You're going there for a like that. You're giving money. मेरा पैसा जुड़ रहा है.
Yeah.
Right? You feel मेरा पैसा जुड़ रहा है. The moment you take that money, वो इतने महीने बाद आपने whatever that is done and now you have got money in your hand, that money you have utilized, spent or whatever you have done, hopefully invested for a good cause or something, hopefully, but whatever you have done. But next month when you go and give that money, that installment of that committee for whatever balance month, what is your chemical reaction at that time? It's a sulking. देने जाना पड़ रहा है, ये कब खत्म होगा?
हाँ.
So that is the difference between an SIP and an EMI. An SIP gives you empowerment. EMI may give you empowerment, but at times it will surely. साल में 4 महीने तो ऐसे आएंगे काश ये EMI ना होती.
Yeah.
SIP में भी आप दोगे, you will feel. So that's the chemical reaction. And Umair, believe me, I'm giving you something off the track. And I'm sure your viewers knows this, but if they don't, this is important. It is 99% of any of your decision is not based off anything other than emotions.
Yes.
You go and buy a car full of emotions. You buy as simple as a packet of biscuits. Which packet? This packet or this packet? The packet which has a fancy packing will most likely be your
Or the one that
choice.
has nostalgia or other aspects,
Anything.
emotions.
It is
Yes.
all emotions. It is all emotions. Today you and me are sitting. We have a lot of emotions going through right now also. Right? Sometimes I may be very happy telling you something. Sometimes I may not be very happy telling you something. Right? So our decisions are also based on that. And the reason of why I am telling that, ये तो पता है सबको. The reason is you need to keep a check whenever you're taking any important decision. Is this emotional or is this like 80% emotion, 20% logic, or is it 100% emotion, or is it a 20% emotion? Because if you are buying something which is ठीक है, खाया, consume किया, it's not very costly, it's okay to be emotional. And even if you have to eat something, your conscious mind will tell you this is not good for your health. Then your emotion has to be kept in check.
Yeah.
दाल मखनी बटर चिकन बहुत स्वाद लगता है, but it has its different thing happening.
Yeah, it's a high when you're eating it, but after you're done eating it, it's a crash. It's a guilt.
That's what I'm saying. So any decision that you are taking from as to it's important what you are eating to where you are investing. Both these things are so very element. That's why it is said health and wealth are two most important things. Sometimes people say health is more important, sometimes people say wealth is more important. But simply nothing is more or less. Both are very important. Both are has to be one and one in your life. Anything else is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wherever you want to put in. But these two things you cannot.
Like inherently, the way you explained that we are emotional people, or some people prey on our emotions and make us take the wrong financial decisions. आपने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को देखा है रिसेंटली इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम दैट आई थिंक काफ़ी बड़ी हो गई है. ये टेलीग्राम के अंदर आपको 2,000-3,000 रुपये मंथली के ऊपर आपको टेलीग्राम पे बुलाते हैं. अपने टेलीग्राम के ऊपर ये कॉल पुट की कॉल्स देते हैं आपको, सिग्नल्स इसको कहा जाता है, और उसके अंदर बहुत लोग पैसा लूज़ कर रहे हैं. व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन कि लोगों को इन फाइनेंशियल इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को सुनना चाहिए?
देखिए, फाइनेंशियल इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को सुनना चाहिए. आई वुड से यू हैव टू बी वेरी चूजी. You have to be very choosy. First of all, how do you be choosy? So there are few red flags that you have to see. The number one red flag and the most important red flag is guaranteed. If anybody is telling you guaranteed, please stop listening. Why are you even wasting another second of your life? Isn't your life important? Is your time important? Don't waste another next second. If somebody is recommending, saying, I will give you high returns, and the starting point is high returns. Point is, if you are doing something and it may result in high return, that's a different thing. Important is not high return, important is what is to be done. And if somebody is saying you don't need to work hard, it's as simple as that. There are so many red flags. You guys have to be, and we are talking about finfluencers, not just finfluencers. There are so many scams that is happening every day. I would say they are another big menace that is going on in our life. A phone call comes to you or message comes to you and they tell you easy money or things like that and ABCD. Anything that is simple, please be away from that. It is even important is whenever you want to deal with someone. See, I'll give you a real estate की बात करते एक example. Why would a developer's property will sell at a premium and a B property maybe at just at adjoining place will sell lower?
मार्केट परसीव्ड वैल्यू ब्रांड है.
Brand.
या
It is because supposing, let's say for example, I am not trying to promote myself, but let's say I have invested 30 years of my career helping people make their money. Now every day when I have to take decisions for my client, help them take decisions for their money, I have on my shoulders 30 years.
ऑफ इंटेग्रिटी.
30 years of integrity. My bad decisions will multiply and destroy what I have made in 30 years.
योर इमेज. या
30 years will go by just like that. Just like that. So every day I have to be aware what am I carrying. Right? This is not to promote. This is just to tell you. Which means whenever you are talking to someone, maybe that person does not have a experience in those number of years, but do they have education? Do they have ABCD? So there are so many red flags. The only problem is greed. When the greed overtakes you, which is another emotion that we were talking about, when greed overtakes you, you get blind to anything.
इट्स द मोस्ट पावरफुल इमोशन.
Just like lust. These are all emotions. Whenever that emotion overpowers you, your thought process changes. You don't really think logical. So point is, every decision has to be thought and filtered. Kitna logic hai, kitna emotion hai. And is this particular decision okay to be run by emotions?